welcome back to my channel. This year, when my main focus was time management and I started referring lots of articles and videos, the first point was meal planning. When I referred some articles regarding meal planning, I saw there is whole lots of work that I have to do during the weekend, and I'm the person who just want to relax and be lazy during the weekend and don't want to do lots of work. Meal planning don't have to be complicated. So I tried to simplify the process and make the planning that works best for me. So today I'm sharing my way of meal planning and some tips and tricks to make it more interesting. So let's get started. First thing, to jot down your meals for breakfast, lunch and dinner. And if you know me, I love doing DIY. So I decided to design my meal planning sheet. This is the one which I created, which has days of the week and different section for breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks. For me, it's only Monday to Saturday, as Sunday is special and we either eat out or make some quick meals. This is the grocery section. After planning your meal, you can decide on grocery list, which helps you not to forget any important ingredient and which saves multiple visits to grocery store. Now how we use it? You can do two things. Either just use pencil, so every week you can erase and write a fresh list of meals. Secondly, I used the sheet protector and inserted the paper inside, decorated it with some stickers and used this permanent markers to write the meals. Now you must be thinking how to erase these meals next week, as it's written by permanent marker. Very simple. Use some cotton, some nail polish remover and see the magic. I found this way much easier than using multiple papers every week or using stick-ons. You can do this as you like. You don't even have to make this if you don't want it. There are lots of meal planning sheets available online for free. Just download it and use it. I wanted to make it look more colorful. That's why I did it, to make it more interesting. Next thing, which day I plan meal for the week. Mostly we prefer going to grocery store on Friday. So quickly I check my refrigerator and frozen section, and whatever is left, I try to plan meal around those leftover veggies for next 2 to 3 days. As you can see, I have some cauliflower and some peppers left. So I'll plan my Saturday breakfast gobi paratha and will finish up the peppers by making some quick pasta salad. Now starting Monday, I will plan the meals, preferably that we haven't ate last week, just to keep food interesting for all of us. Breakfast are always oats, Monday to Friday for kids, and for me and my husband is either sandwiches, besan chila or uttapam, and for Monday dinner I am keeping rajma. Now when I know that I need rajma for Monday dinner, I just soak it over the weekend, boil it on Sunday and keep it ready for next day. Monday I always go easy, as after the weekend there are lots to do to fix the house back to normal. In this way I plan the entire week till Friday. Now, how rigid I am when it comes to follow the entire meal planning sheet. I'm very flexible as we are doing meal planning to make our life easy, not difficult. So sometimes if I want to shift my meal from here to there, like between the days or the lunch or dinner, I do that as per the circumstances or as per some special food cravings. Now coming to grocery list. Once meals are decided, I check my pantry. It has a list of all the items that are in storage, so I quickly match the ingredients that I need to prepare meals for next week with the available items in the pantry. And then I get started with the grocery list. This way, neither I forget any ingredient nor I end up buying something which is already there in the pantry. Now let's talk about some benefits of meal planning. First benefit, it saves lots of money. You know what to buy for the grocery for next week, so you don't waste money in buying lots of stuff that leads to wastage by end of the week. Second benefit, adds variety. When you do meal planning, you ensure variety of recipes every week and you don't end up eating same food again and again. Third benefit, it saves time. When you know what you are cooking tomorrow, you can easily make some pre-preparations a night before or over the weekend, whatever suits you. And that's how it saves lots of time. Fourth benefit, eat healthy. When you have done your pre-preparations for the week, you are ready mentally and you don't have to make some quick fix meals which might not be so healthy. When you are planning your meals, you will always make sure that your family is eating right portion of vegetables, fruits, protein and other important ingredients. Fifth benefit, less stress. Every morning, one question haunts every homemaker: what to cook in breakfast, lunch and dinner. But when you have a meal planning, you don't have to stress about what to cook and what not to. So let's start meal planning starting today. I prefer weekly meal planning. You can do whatever suits you. Let's keep it simple, flexible and healthy. If you want me to show how I do my pre-preparations over the week, please comment down below. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and be a part of our happy home. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, eat healthy, keep loving yourself and keep making lots of memories. Bye-bye.